Unfortunately, none of the units at this building are running, but here's a video of them anyway. And as you can see, we got a little bit of snow last night. This is insane. Not even a week ago, I was running the central air in my house because it was almost 80 degrees, and now it's like in the 30s again. And this one's from 1996. Is that a heat pump? Yeah, that one's a heat pump. Out of all the AC units here, there's only one that I'm aware of that's a straight cool air conditioner. There's a really rusted out carrier around the other side. Absolutely none of them are running. Carrier. Yeah, look at all this. Less than a week ago, I was running the air conditioning. Now I'm freezing my ass off. And I don't know if that carrier back there is a straight cool or a heat pump. This one is a straight cool. And I'd say it's 2 nominal tons at the most. There's a Ducane. Don't know if that one's a heat pump or a straight cool. Probably a straight cool. And then there's 3 Payne heat pumps over here. A couple of teardrops and just a newer Payne, kind of like the one at the nursing home. Only the one at the nursing home was a straight cool unit. These are all heat pumps. This one is from... Oh, this one's practically brand spanking new. This one's an 07. So this one's a 13 SEER. Condenser coil's a little bit off kilter there. So this one's brand spanking new. See if I can get the... And then that one's an 05. And that one, it appears to say 2005 as well. Interesting wear pattern on the condenser there. And it appears it has a Bristol reciprocating compressor. Wait, where's this one? Yeah, I was right. 2005. 2005. So the 2 teardrops are 2005s, and the greenish colored one is a 2007. So the teardrops are probably around 10 SEER. And that's the one I thought was a Goodman. What year is this one? 2002. How many tons? Oh, this is a 2-ton. Has a 24 in the serial number or the model number. It's that is a 2-ton. There's the carrier again. Is that one a heat pump? This one's from 96 as well. Oh, that is a heat pump. It says listed section of heat pump. That one is a heat pump. A 15-year-old heat pump. Alright, so The thin, tall one is a 96, and this one is a 2002. Not much difference between them in terms of the color of the cabinet, and that one's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. And that one would appear to have a scroll. I think, yeah, that's a scroll. That one's got a scroll. So yeah, the only one, the little 2002 Bryant back there, I know is a straight cool unit, and I think the Ducane is a straight cool unit. The rest are all heat pumps. In fact, the Ducane might be a heat pump, I'm not sure. So my guess is that the Bryant either has some sort of gas furnace hooked up to it, or it's in a part of the building where they don't need heat. A lot of the houses around here are older and they have oil heat, and the newer ones have heat pumps. There don't seem to be that many homes and businesses around here that have gas heat. Yeah, I actually went back there once behind those bushes to see if I could get any info off that Ducane, and I couldn't, so I don't think it's a heat pump. It's definitely cold enough for a defrost cycle, though. Shame they're not running. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.